This video provides an overview of eoPedia, Elections Ontario's primary online resource for all things election. eoPedia is an online reference tool used by all returning office staff that lists and describes all the information needed to complete every task for each returning office position. eoPedia is divided into 4 main sections: Election Manual, Daily Checklists, EMS User Guides, and Forms Manuals and Guides. We'll start with the daily checklists. The landing page for the checklists is a calendar. Clicking on a number will take you to the daily checklist for that particular day. The daily checklist is an inventory of tasks for each person working in the returning office. Checklists describe each task, provide links to the relevant process or item, and identify the role assigned to the task. Checklists can be filtered by position using the drop-down menu in the upper left corner. The links in your checklists will take you to other topics or forms that will provide you with more information. For instance, in this example, clicking on the word Update will take you to more information about updating the budget. Click on a form's name to find instructions on how to complete the form, and click on a form's number to open a PDF version of it. The Returning Office Calendar is a great resource for viewing high-level milestones, whereas the checklists provide a detailed list of tasks to complete. Note: be sure to check both the Returning Office Calendar and the checklist specific to your position every day. If at any point you wish to return to the eoPedia homepage, click the puzzle piece in the upper left corner of your screen. Now let's review the Election Manual section. The Election Manual contains information on election processes and instructions on how to complete election-related tasks. This section of eoPedia is divided into subfolders, which can be reached via both the left navigation menu and the landing page. On the landing page, clicking on a topic takes you to a page with an overview of the topic you selected. Landing pages provide a broad overview of the topic and include a list of relevant subtopics and tasks arranged in the order they are to be completed. Clicking any of these subtopics opens a drop-down menu of links to pages in the Election Manual. These pages include detailed information on election-related tasks and specific instructions on how to complete them. The links in the drop-down menu are ordered sequentially. Any links found here can also be found in the left navigation pane in their corresponding sections. The next section, EMS User Guides, contains step-by-step instructions on how to complete tasks in our web-based election management system, or EMS for short. Similar to the Election Manual section, topics can be accessed via landing pages, which give a broad overview and contain more detailed subtopics, or you can go directly to the detailed topics from the left navigation menu. The final section is Forms, Manuals, and Guides. The Forms, Manuals, and Guides section of eoPedia stores resource materials in 6 subfolders: Forms by Name, Forms by Number, Forms How to Complete, Poll Official Manuals and Guides, Training Officer Binder, and Technology Guides. In the Forms by Name page, you will find a list of all the forms used during an election event listed alphabetically. In the Forms by Number page, you will find a list of forms organized according to their form number. You can find most of the forms on both pages. However, the Forms by Number page only lists forms with a designated form number. As such, forms without a designated number can only be found in the Forms by Name page. In Poll Official Manuals and Guides, you will find the reference material for every poll official position in English and French. Once you select the language, you will have access to all the poll official manuals. The Training Officer Binder contains reference material and leader guides for poll official positions. In the Technology Guides folder, you will find several links to pages outlining how to use the technology at the returning office. And you can always search for any topic anywhere within eoPedia using the search field in the top right corner of the page. This concludes the eoPedia overview. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this valuable resource and remember to visit the daily checklists every day.